all you need to do is go to voki.com, and it's called voki.com. And so I've gone to Voki. Now you're going to have to make an account, and it's free. And all you need to do is go to your Voki and create. So I'm going to create one. So here we go. I hit create.
Please type your message in the text box.
And I'm not going to type a message. I'm going to pick my own. So here's you can customize your character. So there's all kinds of things in there. You can have just female or male. So I'm just going to pick female. And here's one here that I'll pick. And all I need to do is come down here, and you can actually change the color of certain things. I can actually change all the colors of the hair, the makeup, the eyes, the skin, and the hair over here. But before I do that, I want to show you this. So here is the head. This is the hair. So there's all kinds of different hair that you can pick. So why don't I try this one? There. And then there's different mouths that you can pick. But for this one, there's only one type. So from there, I'm going to come down here and pick the mouth, and I can change the color. So I'll make it a little bit. The makeup, right now you can make your eyes maybe blue, and the blush maybe make it a little bit darker. So you can see a little bit of blush on there. Now the eye color can change. I change it to brown, blue. Skin color can change. You make it a little bit pinky or brighter or darker. And the hair color can change as well. So maybe I would like to have it a little bit darker. Maybe like that. Or maybe a little bit redder. Alright, now the other thing you'll have down here is something called tweak. So you can make the mouth a bit bigger. So I'm going to make it bigger. The nose can be bigger, or you can make it thinner. The body you can make smaller or bigger, so we're going to make it a little bit smaller. Height, make the head a little bit longer. Or the width of the head, you make it a bit bigger like that. Okay, and if you want to see the entire body, all you need to do is move it up a bit. And maybe even bring it back this way. So now clothing for this person. I can change the clothing. There we go. And I'm going to move that body down a little bit. I'm going to place it right here. You can also put a little bit of bling on there, I guess. So you can fool around and check that out. Now, the next thing you can do is change the background. So I might change the background something outdoors, or maybe I want a city view. You could scroll down and pick any type of city view you want. There's even animated things on there, so you can have a background like this, or maybe the sun, or the moon. I'm going to pick one that I've downloaded myself. I'll show you. If you go to Files, you can actually browse your entire web or your entire computer and find a picture. And I have a picture of the classroom, so I'm going to put that in the background. Now you can also change the faceplate of it, so if you want a different color, so I'm going to pick red. Now once you've done that, you can give it a voice. You can do this by phone, or you can text it and actually put another speech on there, so you don't have to use your own voice. I like to use my own voice, so I'm going to record with a microphone. So you'll have some of these things that are going to ask you to access your microphone. So I'm going to allow it, and then I'll record it. So now I'm recording my message to you and how easy it is to create a voki. So I hit stop. Now I can play back that message to you and how easy it is to create a voki. So I hit stop, and I can save that. So I'm just going to put tutorial. Press OK. Now I'm recording my message to you and how easy it is to create a voki. So I hit stop. And now I'm done, and I want to publish it. So I'll just use the same name, tutorial. Save it. So my scene's been saved. Now I want to embed this into my my wiki space. So for most sites they use this code. So here is the code for your HTML code. You're going to copy that, and if you wanted to, you can still send it to a friend by just hitting here, and you can go through the task of sending this to a friend if you'd like, or to mobile or something like that.